The California Lemon Law Buyback is a powerful legal remedy designed to protect consumers who have unknowingly purchased or leased a defective vehicle. When a vehicle is deemed to be a lemon due to a significant problem affecting its safety, value, or use, the manufacturer might be obligated to repurchase or buy back the vehicle. Additionally, we have an absolutely free consultation. Simply go to californialaw.com. Call now 1-800-400-5050. Available 7 days a week, 24/7. You can also find our link in the description below. California's Lemon Law applies to many new and used vehicles that have required repairs while under warranty, including leased, financed, or purchased cars and more. The buyback process involves the manufacturer reimbursing the consumer for the vehicle's purchase price and other fees. In addition to providing a refund and reimbursing the purchase price, manufacturers might compensate consumers for incidental damages, such as expensive towing costs, and possibly rental car expenses incurred due to the vehicle's defects. Additionally, the law often requires the manufacturer to cover any reasonable attorney fees incurred by the consumer during the lemon law dispute. Although a buyback is only one of the options for a lemon law settlement, it is usually preferred by consumers because it provides a complete financial remedy by putting the consumer in a position as if the defective vehicle had never been purchased. Before we explain important information about calculating lemon law buybacks, we will compare the California lemon law buyback to the other options of a replacement vehicle or cash and keep settlement. It is very valuable to know which option might be the best for you before learning more about the factors of calculating a lemon law buyback. First, if you get a replacement vehicle instead of getting a buyback, the manufacturer could agree to replace the vehicle with a comparable model vehicle. The goal is to provide the consumer with a vehicle that is substantially identical or similar to the defective one being replaced. However, vehicle replacements can pose uncertainties regarding the reliability of the replacement vehicle. If your vehicle is having problems, you might not want to get another one from the same manufacturer, so a lemon law buyback might still be the best option for you. Alternatively, if you get a cash and keep settlement instead of a buyback, the manufacturer could provide you with financial compensation while allowing you to still have possession of the defective vehicle. One big downside of a cash and keep settlement is that, depending on the amount of money settled upon, it might fail to fully compensate for the financial impact of a defective vehicle. It's hard to know exactly how much your future car defects will cost you.
Learn more now. Call 1-800-400-5050. You might be entitled to financial compensation. When our legal service is free, guaranteed.
One big advantage of a lemon law buyback is that it provides consumers with a comprehensive financial remedy that aims to put the consumer in a position as if the defective vehicle had never been purchased or leased. Additionally, in a California lemon law buyback, you generally get a refund that includes the full purchase price of the defective vehicle, along with taxes and fees. However, be careful because there are certain important deductions that can be subtracted from this amount and not be refunded to you. Most manufacturers will make a mileage deduction by subtracting a statutory mileage offset from the total mileage on the vehicle. Understanding this mileage deduction is essential, as it directly influences the final refund amount in the buyback process. This offset is based on the number of miles the vehicle traveled before the first time the vehicle had a problem and got repaired. The purpose is to properly charge the consumer for use of the vehicle before the vehicle started behaving like a lemon. Additionally, when calculating the lemon law buyback, the automobile manufacturer might make certain deductions for excessive wear and tear. These charges should be carefully reviewed with your lawyer to prevent yourself from getting ripped off. There might also be important considerations and deductions for negative equity depending on the terms of your loan or purchase contract. Negative equity arises when the amount you owe on a car loan or lease is higher than the vehicle's current market value. Negative equity can happen due to factors like depreciation, high interest rates, a long-term loan, a previous trade-in vehicle, and more. In these tricky situations, it can potentially leave the consumer with an unfortunate financial gap to cover even after receiving a complete refund from the automobile manufacturer. Automobile manufacturers are in business to make money, so it is often in the best interest of the automobile manufacturer to try to repair or replace the vehicle before a lemon law buyback refund is initiated. If your vehicle is under warranty and having problems, you should immediately let the authorized dealership know, and you must provide the dealership with a reasonable opportunity to repair your vehicle. Generally, to qualify for a buyback, the dealership must have performed repairs during 2 or more of your visits. The defect must have also substantially impaired the use, value, or safety of the vehicle. Consumers should keep detailed records of all repair attempts, communication with the manufacturer, and related expenses. Consulting with an experienced lemon law attorney can provide valuable guidance. The law often requires the manufacturer to cover reasonable attorney fees, making legal assistance more accessible and affordable. Please be aware that there are specific timelines and requirements to ensure eligibility for a buyback. Do not delay. Get a free consultation 7 days a week, day or night, at californialaw.com. Call the law office of attorney Jimmy Hanna E at 1-800-400-5050. See our link in the description. We encourage you to call even if you are not sure if you have a case. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and tell us about your car in the comments. Subscribe now for more informative videos.